tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relaxing. I can't, but deep in the pack, the sedan, putting tracks in the sand.
What
Pushing my
up, I
craft
am
with the
Green
fan, got the
Giant?
people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand. Keeping my octane high, my graded premium, not 8-9 or 8-7. And when I run across state line, I'm 9-1. I gun it, clock great time, my time come. Disappearing in the dark horizon. Way I cut turns on my sharpest diamonds. Got them on tilt like a car's alignment. This is raw refinement, not a hard assignment. I'ma give it gas, give it gas. Bitch.
Anyways, so like I was saying before I got rudely interrupted, I thought I restarted that song, but you know how shit goes.
The Wire
And we'll do that on Spider Pig later on.
follows the drug trade of Baltimore, Maryland, both from the viewpoint of the drug scene, the kingpins, the dealers, and the corner boys, and the police force out to stop
Love
the
how
drug
it ain't
trade,
trying to
with the
mute.
politics, administration,
Shouts out to the
and
computer for
bureaucracy that
acting
hinder the
hard-headed.
progress of the cops as
Click
much.
clack, you gone. There you go. Anyways, let's see. Like I was saying a second ago, y'all know to go check out the Rumble. Shouts out to the Rumble link. Y'all know Team Deepwater Cultivating is just the company channel, which is just me on my other device. So, you know, I be saying what's up in both places. Both places. But y'all know to go check out the Rumble. There's the link for you. I'm going to keep it easy for y'all today. You dig? Y'all always go check out the Rumble because, you know, the video studio quality over there most of the time these days because I be recording the videos except for the day when I forgot to hit record, but you know the Rumble be usually getting all the stuff anyway, so if I record anything it usually gets put on Rumble right after it's done, so versus whatever the days are for YouTube. Rumble's usually cool. Like right now, I'm having problems with my studio, so I probably just got to kick it out of my phone and then re-download it again. I did get a new phone, so I'm having problems with my Rumble studio on that side because I normally just be live on Rumble because then I could stream it to YouTube at the same time anyway. So that's the good thing about Rumble is once you get your studio set up and you know what you're doing over there, you can get Rumble to where YouTube and Rumble are synonymous. Shouts out to putting things together. We like that. And then Rumble, you can also stream to multiple other platforms also. So that's one good thing about Rumble is they got it to where if you're doing your streams, it can go on multiple platforms easily from the Rumble studio. So that's why I said I got to get back and look into that this week. How does one forget to hit record? I was going live on YouTube because see I'm using my phone to do this vertical, but as you see I'm sitting at my laptop, and when I started the videos, before I started the videos I forgot to go over to here to start recording. You see, you gotta hit the record button. Boom. If I don't hit the record button when I first start the live, I done missed the whole live. Yeah, I done missed the whole live. So later on, I'll just record the videos while I'm sitting here smoking and watch it again anyways. That's why I said it'll get done for Rumble because, you know, we got to keep Rumble in the circle too. But yeah, see, both of yesterday's videos are over there because, you know, the video I did for Spider Pig's on there too. So shouts out to the Rumble. That's why I said it usually gets anything I'm doing and I can record it. So, but yeah, that's why I said you get the studio version over on Rumble. So, you know, it's a little bit better quality, I guess, if the video plays right because you never know. It might be jammed up and glitching on me. If that happens, that's all a part of the game. Shout out to going live because we do it live, baby. Gotta do it live. But anyways, like I was saying about the plants, I had moved that one that I've been basically keeping as a mother and was cutting clones off of it, but looks like I skipped the last round of it. So now I'm gonna just get her back healthy while she finishes flowering out because, you know, she's doing her own thing on her time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get her out of there. But yeah, the ladies, the other these are the 4 remaining autos in the auto army so far that's in this tent. I got more germinated in there because everything else in the green room didn't make it. So, you know, we got some more work to be doing. But like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. We'll just walk through the green room and I'll show you what we got going on.